One of the things I find most frustrating is when people come to my house and they ask me for my Wi-Fi password, and I give them my Wi-Fi password, and they use my Wi-Fi for a little while and be like, dude, the internet's damn slow, dude. Dude, which internet connection do you use? You should use my internet connection. It's damn good, dude. Like, what kind of ungrateful Wi-Fi vulture are you, man? Coming into my house and asking me for my Wi-Fi. Complaining about it. Imagine I went to their house. They gave me some food, right? And so like, dude, your food's damn salty, dude, today. Dude, which mom do you use? Dude, which mom do you use, dude? Use my mom, she's great. For cooking, I mean, god damn it. Sheesh. I've come up with some creative Wi-Fi passwords, where I'm giving them the Wi-Fi password, but I'm not really giving them the Wi-Fi password. Here are my ideas for creative Wi-Fi password. Password number 1 is, give me $500. Yeah. So what's your Wi-Fi password? Give me $500. For what? For what? Why should I give you $500? You want to give me $500? No? Then? Then what's your Wi-Fi password? Give me $500. Why are you being so cheap, dude? My next idea for a creative Wi-Fi password is all caps, N-O-O-O-O-O, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. If anyone's like, hey, what's your Wi-Fi password? No! Sorry! My last idea for a creative Wi-Fi password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's your Wi-Fi password, dude? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not working. No, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.